So the first question is testing you on your first skill set, central ideas and details, information as skills. Okay. You can see the whole content here from here to here and the question here. All right. Now I'm giving you a minute. Your time starts now. Okay. So it's been nearly a minute now. Guys, type in your answers on the chat window. Both of you think it's C. Good. Very well done. Now, number one, it took you about a minute, maybe less than a minute, but it took quite a bit of time. Okay. Did you both read the full paragraph?
I read
Skimmed it.
You skimmed it. Okay. Let me just note down for 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So you skimmed through the whole paragraph. Why did you select option C? There you go ahead, you explain.
The first two questions were trap questions because the subpart B focused on the rug which she made, but the focus was not over there. The second one, the first one focused on the colors, which was again not the focus because the first sentence about the dye, how she acquires the colors, not the colors itself. And the fourth part is the contradicting statements because she says that she is able to find the roots she is wanting to. She found it, and saying it is difficult to find it. She found it in Arizona. So it's again a contradicting statement. So C is the only question left, answer left. Sorry.
Okay. What you're saying is absolutely right. There's nothing wrong with what you've said. Okay. Now I'll tell you how I would have gone through this question. What I would have done if this question was thrown at me. So I would have read the first line. To dye wool, Navajo weaver Lily Taylor uses plants and vegetables from Arizona where she lives. For example, I would have stopped reading. Isn't the part after that an example of the main idea? So that cannot be the main idea. Anything after the part, for example, is evidence to the main idea, not the main idea in itself. So if an option comes from that part, it'll be that mentions anything in that part, it will supporting the evidence of the main idea, not the main idea in itself. Okay, that's one thing. Secondly, whenever you get a main idea question, they are testing on whether you are noticing the subject of discussion. So out here, what is the subject? Lily Taylor. So does option A and B even mention Lily Taylor? No, right? So no matter what these options say, it doesn't even discuss the subject, which is the main idea. Okay, I'm just telling you how to look at it grammatically. Okay, you guys have reasoned it correctly, I'm sure, but I'm just telling you a grammatical way to look at it. All right. So C and D have the same subject, and as you said, as Divyam said, if she found it difficult to do it, she wouldn't do it. Right? She knows how to do it, and in option D, you have something mentioned which contradicts the subjects mentioned in option in the first part. Dye wool and Lily Taylor. Dye wool, Lily Taylor. This part mentions dock root, which is not even mentioned in the first two sentences. If maybe it had the word vegetables, I would have doubted it, but it has the word dock root, which is too narrow focused, one type of vegetable. So are we clear with question one? Okay. So you had your approach. I showed you my approach. Okay, we can get to the answer in different ways. All right.